Hey, what's up? This is Asier Miguel Anales. We are Clareta Escarcha students, and in this video we are going to prove that our school is the best school you will ever find. In this school, children get a very good education and make lots of friends. At this moment, more than 2,000 people are studying here, and all of them are getting very good academic results. Studying here is much more bearable because classrooms are roomy, and then look at the views, they are beautiful. If your children is under 5, we also have nursery. Apart from the school, look at the surroundings. They are wonderful.
We also have areas where we can enjoy sports. Look at these skills. These are some of our trophies. And now, let's go to the cafe. Looks amazing.
Now, we are in the sports center, where we can find these big bathrooms. Also, we can find our Olympic swimming pool, and next to them a smaller one for young kids. Here, we have a room with some games where children can play. This is the locker room, where people prepare and have the shower after the physical education class. We don't have to move so far to find our artificial soccer field and paddle court. Escarcha has a parking with space for more than 250 cars. School also gives the option to have a lunch every day.
It's time for lunch.
There is an amazing menus and really professional servants and chefs. And this is our beautiful school. And to finish the video, we are going to show you how we improve our skills since we have come here.
Play a little